seals were broken. Probably 6 or 7 of the seals in the whole house were broken up and down. There was condensation and there was, buildup of, it wasn't mold, but dirt on the bottom of the windows, and I wanted to go to a vinyl versus the old style windows, and there was noise. They had to flip out windows and they didn't close properly, so they were pushing 30 years old, so it was time to change them. Companies that came in cheaper, and there was companies that were a lot more. And Centra was a local company. I like the fact that most of the employees there have a piece of the company, or partners in the company. And I know when that's the case, I think the work is a lot better. They a little bit more pride in their work, and so there's no callbacks. It's a lot quieter. I think it retains the heat, and the central air doesn't run as long. It holds the coolness in the house a lot better. So it was very clean, very neat, and very professional the way they did it. So it makes me feel good that they're sealed properly, and I don't have to worry about the seals breaking. The warranty and all that kind of stuff was a big part of the reason why we went with Centra. Yeah, I'd like to thank Michael. He was very professional, very thorough, and the way he presented himself, on behalf of the company, was a big part of why we decided to go with Centra. So anything I needed done or any answers, it was prompt. Kate and I both appreciate what Michael did.